everyone, welcome back. From this video, I'm going to talk about the designing part and the processing part of product managing page. So let's go to the page. By clicking this manage products, we can go to this page. In here, this is the way how I add my products in here. And at the bottom, you can see this manage categories part. And here's the pagination part. Likewise. And I have taken the values and the data as a row for each product. And here's the searching bar. We can search any product when we want. I can block or unblock any product by using these buttons. And there is a title also. This is the product image and the titles, price, quantity, the date. Now let's see how to design this and how to get these values. Here's my manage product page. Firstly, if I talk about the designing part, I have linked these bootstrap links and icon also, and as same as for the other backgrounds, I use the same background color for this interface also. And inside this container fluid, main div, using label tag, I have displayed this sentence. And this is the part where we add search bar. Here's the input column. And this is the search button, input row. And these are the titles. Product image, title, price, likewise. And by using this PHP script, I have taken the values. Firstly, here I have connected our database with the page using this connection.php. Then I have taken the values, data of product table, and assign that value to $query, and also I have given another value called variable page no. By using this if set, I will check whether the ID page have value or not. If it have value, then I will take the value and assign that value to this $page now. Otherwise, I will assign 1 to the page now variable. And through this query, I will take the value of this $query. It means these product values. And I will take those values as number of rows using this num rows and assign that value to this $product now. And here also, I have created this new variable and assign 20 to that. And from here I will check the product name and the sellers per page likewise, and assign that value also to the number of page. And from here I will deduct 1 from the $page name and multiply it with the results per page and assign that value to $page results. Using this query, I will take the value of query and limit with the results per page offset and $page results. And from here again, I will take these values as num rows and assign that amount to the selected now. By using this for loop, I will check whether the $x is less than $selected now. If so, then I will fetch that line and assign that value to this $selected data. If not, I will directly go to the button and it will display else part. No. And then from here, I have taken the ID of $selected data using this PHP script, and in here I have started this view product model. So this on-click event, I will talk about this in another video about the view product model. And from using this PHP script, I will take the product image. Select all from image table where the product ID is equal to the ID of $selected data, and assign that value to this $image rs variable, and I will take that value as number of rows using these numbers and assign that value to $image num. By using this if condition, I will check whether the $image num is equal to 0. If so, then I will display this. Otherwise, I will display the path of the image. It means if the $image num is not equal to 0, it means 1, then I will take the path of that image by fetching that row and echo that code to display the image. After that, I will take the values for titles by using the title from $selected data and the price, quantity, date, time added likewise. And here's the part where I add button, block or unblock product. In there, I will check the status ID of $selected data, whether it is equal to 1. If it is equal to 1, then I will take the value of ID and echo it, and also I have start this block product function to this on-click event, and I will take the value of the ID of $selected data. And here there are two buttons called block and unblock, but for the both I have started the same function, and also I have given ID code PB to the both, and the class is for the block is BTN danger, and for the unblock BTN success. And from this is the model part. Means the way how I display that product model. I will talk about this in another video. And here's the pagination part. In this pagination, I will check whether the $page num is less than or equal 1. If so, I will not display anything. If not, I will echo the page num by deducting 1 from it for this previous area label tag is previous. And by using this for loop, I will check whether the $x is less than or equal the number of pages. If so, then I will again check whether the $x is equal to the $page number value. Then I will echo the $page of $x. And if this not happen, then I will again display the $page of $x. By using these hyperlinks. this part, I will check whether the $page number is greater than or equal to the $number of page. If this not happen, then I will add one value to the $page number and display next. Here's the manage category part. In there, I have taken the values through PHP script. I will talk about this also in another video completely. Now let's see the functions which will start in the JavaScript. Here's the block product function which I take the value through this ID. And by using this new XML HTTP request, I will send the old values to this block product block process using get method. I don't use any form or append data in this part. Now let's go to the product block process. In here, firstly I have connect our page to the database using this connection.php. Then I will check whether the $get ID has a value or not. If it is, then I will go through first. If it is not, I will display something went wrong. When I go through this part, I will take the value of that ID and assign that value to $PID. And then using this query, I will take the value of product table where the ID is equal to $PID. And take that value as number of rows using this num rows and assign that amount to $product num. By using this if condition, I will check whether the $product num is equal to 1 or not. If it is so, then I will fetch that line and assign that value to the $product data. Then again, I will check whether the $product data status ID is equal to 1 or not. If it is equal to 1, then I will update the product table by setting the status ID as 2, where the ID is equal to the $PID, and I will echo block. If not, I will check whether the status ID is equal to 2. Then I will update the product table as setting status ID as 1, where the ID is equal to the $product ID, and I will display unblocked. If this part not happen, it means if the $product num is not equal to 1, then I will display cannot find the product, please try again later. After this happens, then again I will go to this part, and by taking the already state change of anonymous function, I will check whether the request ready state is equal to 4. If so, then I will take the response text and assign that value to this variable text. By using this if condition, I will check whether the text is equal to this word blocked. If so, then I will display unblocked by using this btn success style. Otherwise, if the text is equal to unblock, then I will display block by using this btn danger style. And if this both doesn't happen, then I will display the alert of the text. This is the way how I create the product managing page, and hope you get an idea. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next video.